Question number 1.
I dash him yesterday. A. Saw B, seen C, C.
Question number 2.
She dash home before it rained. A. Had reached B, reaching C, reaches.
Question number 3.
I dash play football when I was a child. A. Used to be, used to see, uses to.
Question number 4.
They arrived dash time for the meeting. A. On B, in C, at.
Question number 5.
What is the synonym of brilliant? A. Dull B, intelligent C, dark.
Question number 6.
The boy dash a book now. A. Is reading B, read C, read.
Question number 7.
I'm not interested dash politics. A. In B, on C, about.
Question number 8.
He was punished dash cheating. A. By B, for C, with.
Question number 9.
We've been waiting here dash an hour. A. Since B, for C, from.
Question number 10.
You dash finish this before lunch. A. Must be, could see, may.
Question number 11.
The lights suddenly went dash. A. Out B, in C, on.
Question number 12.
Let the cat out of the bag means A. Feed the cat, B. Reveal a secret, C. Run away.
Question number 13.
The opposite of soft is A. Quiet, B. Hard, C. Slow.
Question number 14.
The children are afraid dash the dark. A. For B, of C, by.
Question number 15.
I have dash many problems. A. To B, so C. Very.
Question number 16.
She gave me a piece dash advice. A. Of B, from C. 4.
Question number 17.
The car was washed dash the driver. A. With B, by C, from.
Question number 18.
I will wait here dash you come. A. Unless B, until C, if.
Question number 19.
The team played dash them last time. A. Well, B, better, C, best.
Question number 20.
Which is a synonym for happy? A. Joyful, B. Bored, C. Lazy.
Question number 21.
The glass is full dash milk. A. Of B, with C, in.
Question number 22.
Dash she worked hard, she failed. A. Because B, although C, if.
Question number 23.
This is the boy dash stole my bag. A. Which, B, who, C, whom.
Question number 24.
We've known each other dash childhood. A. Since B, from C, for a.
Question number 25.
How dash money do you need? A. Much, B, many, C, more.
Question number 26.
He got angry dash no reason. A. Of B, at C, 4.
Question number 27.
I dash my homework before dinner. A. Finished, B, had finished, C, finish.
Question number 28.
The bus leaves dash 8 a.m. A. In B, on C, at.
Question number 29.
Kick the bucket means A. Break something, B. Die, C. Run away.
Question number 30.
She is taller dash her sister. A. Then B, then C, that.
Question number 31.
This is a great place dash relax. A. To be, for C, with.
Question number 32.
I am proud dash my achievements. A. Of B, for C, on.
Question number 33.
Dash you opened the window, please. A. May B, shall C, must.
Question number 34.
They made him dash again. A. Try B, to try C, tried.
Question number 35.
He walked slowly dash he was tired. A. If B, because C, so.
Question number 36.
What is the plural of child? A. Childs, B. Children, C. Childs.
Question number 37.
She speaks English dash than me. A. Good, B. Better, C. Best.
Question number 38.
The book was written dash a famous author. A. By B, of C, from.
Question number 39.
I have lived here dash 5 years. A. For B, since C, during.
Question number 40.
He is the dash student in class. A. Intelligent, B. Most intelligent, C. More intelligent.
Question number 41.
Which sentence is correct? A. He don't care. B. He doesn't care. C. He doesn't cares.
Question number 42.
She is fond dash painting. A. With B, on C, of.
Question number 43.
The cake was divided dash the children. A. Among B. Between C. In.
Question number 44.
He dash left before the party started. A. Had B. Has C. Is.
Question number 45.
The sun rises dash the east. A. In B. On C. At.
Question number 46.
Please explain this dash me. A. For B. To C. With.
Question number 47.
He never dashes promises. A. Keep B. Keeps C. Kept.
Question number 48.
She is suffering dash fever. A. Of B. From C. By.
Question number 49.
You are responsible dash this mess. A. With B. For C. 2.
Question number 50.
The synonym of huge is A. Small. B. Tiny. C. Massive.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.